Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad Manipuri-style. Wash and chop fruits into uniform bite-sized pieces, then toss with a dressing of lime juice, jaggery syrup, a pinch of salt, and ground roasted sesame. Fold in fresh herbs and optional toasted nuts for crunch. Chill briefly to meld flavors, then taste and adjust sweetness or salt to suit your palate for a bright, lively salad. Gather fresh, ripe fruits, lime, jaggery or honey, roasted sesame, and cilantro or mint. Measure about 2 cups mixed fruit, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 1 tablespoon jaggery syrup, adjusting to taste. Toast 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and roughly chop a small handful of nuts if using. Keep ingredients chilled until assembly to preserve texture and brightness. Preparing components ahead makes tossing quick and prevents overmixing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great while you prep. I use it in my car, and it's a fun little boost between kitchen tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by chopping fruits into consistent pieces about 1 inch for easy eating. Whisk lime juice with jaggery syrup until smooth, then mix in a teaspoon of ground roasted sesame and a pinch of salt. Combine fruit and dressing in a chilled bowl and toss gently to coat without bruising delicate fruits. Stir in chopped herbs and sprinkle toasted sesame or nuts on top just before serving for texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.